Energy security is back at the top of Europe's agenda, and onshore gas is becoming part of that conversation again. Today, we're looking at Buccaneer Energy's strategic expansion into European onshore gas and how the company is building the technical team to execute on that opportunity. I'm joined by Paul Welsh, CEO of Buccaneer Energy. Paul, welcome back to the watch list.
Thanks. It's great to be here. Thanks for having me back, Ricky.
Thanks for coming. So tell us, Paul, this marks a significant strategic step for Buccaneer. Why is now the right time to expand into European onshore gas, and what gives you confidence this is the right opportunity for shareholders?
So I think I think as you put up front, energy security has become a real issue for European governments due to the conflicts in Ukraine and the Gulf. And so they've recognized that they can potentially be short, particularly of gas. And so that is a concern, particularly when you have some cold winters or super hot summers. So they don't want to run short. As a result of that, we've seen governments changing their local legislation to essentially strip away a lot of the prohibitive things that they had in place in the past, and in some cases incentivize companies to come in and start looking for opportunities. So some of the countries we're looking at have been off limits for almost 10 years. They've had such restrictive policies that you really couldn't do anything substantive in those countries. If it wasn't already producing, it wasn't going to be producing. And so as a result of that, not much happened. Now, because that's been stripped away, you have opportunities that would look good 10 years ago, now with much better technology and look even, more promising. And because of the conflicts, the pricing environment in Europe is particularly attractive. In the US, we're getting, less than $3 an MCF, for gas, whereas in Europe, you're getting over 15. So it's a really rich environment for us. And the reason that we think it's a good time to do it, beyond that, is that we have the right technical team on board, and we believe, their assistance, combined with the changes in the market, are the right time to do what we're doing.
And in a sector like onshore gas, where permitting, geology, and local execution all matter, like you just alluded to there, having the right technical team can be a major differentiator. You've assembled an experienced European technical team. What do Roberto Bencini and his team bring to Buccaneer? And how does that help reduce execution risk as you build the portfolio?
So they bring what I think is most important. They bring a lot of experience and a track record of success. So there's a lot of people that do what Roberto and the team do. However, there's not that many people that have been as successful as Roberto, right? So Roberto has found the Elephant Field in Libya, the Tempa Rossa gas field in Italy, the Beet gas field in Pakistan. These are huge fields. The Elephant Field is 700 million barrels. The Beet gas field is 1.3 TCF. It's that success, that knowing what it takes to get it done, and then really understanding the geology. Now, Roberto and our chairman, Steve, worked together in the past in onshore Europe, particularly in Italy, with a company called Independent Resources. And so they know the environment quite well. Roberto is Italian, understands, that market quite well. So it's the technical knowledge that they had, the experience that they had, and the understanding of the local communities that they have, which will allow us to be successful. And so that's really the key. It's just getting in there and understanding, what you're faced with. The other thing too is that we've been working on this for quite a while. So we've gone through about 300 different opportunities, narrowed it down to a select few, that are, highly strategic, very, very high volume, and located within, 3 kilometers of infrastructure, and are in an area that can be permitted quickly. So we've gone through a real screening process to get where we are now. And with Roberto's team, now joining us, it's going to be a fantastic thing to move forward. So, but we're super, super excited about it. The other thing too is we've been struggling because we're a small company, and now this volume exposure here will allow us to make the step change necessary to get us to that mid-sized producer that we want to become. And so that's why it's a strategic change and really important one for us.
So this is a story about positioning for Europe's changing energy needs, combining strategic timing with technical experience as Buccaneer works to build a scalable onshore gas portfolio. Thank you for your time today, Paul.
Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Once again, that is Paul Welsh, CEO of Buccaneer Energy. For more information on the company and its strategy, visit buccaneerenergy.co.uk. That's all for this episode of The Watch List. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.